Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your washing machine buttons are not working, or you see a child lock symbol and don't know what to do, this video is for you. I'll show you how to turn the child lock on or off, and exactly where to find the buttons step by step. What is child lock? Child lock is a safety feature that locks the control panel so kids can't mess with the settings or start the machine. But sometimes, even adults get stuck if they don't know how to turn it off. Where is the child lock button? Now let's talk about the location of the child lock button, because that's where many people get confused. In most washing machines, child lock isn't a separate button. Instead, it's a combination of two buttons often labeled on the panel with a small lock icon. Here are some common places to find it. 1. Look near the Temp, Spin, or Rinse buttons. Usually there's text below or above them that says, "Hold 3 seconds for child lock." 2. Some washers show it near the Start Pause button area. 3. If you don't see any lock symbol, check your user manual or search the model number online. How to turn on child lock. Here's how to turn on the child lock. Step 1. Find the labeled buttons, for example, rinse, spin. Step 2. Press and hold them together for 3-5 seconds. Step 3. You'll hear a beep and the lock icon will appear on the screen. How to turn off child lock. To disable it. Step 1. Press and hold the same two buttons again. Step 2. Wait for 3-5 seconds. Step 3. The lock icon will disappear and your buttons will work again. Troubleshooting tips. If it's not working, try pausing or stopping the wash cycle. Unplug and replug the washer. Double-check the correct button combo for your model. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple home tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.